We're on the way. You excited?
Did you see me? I was looking at it.
No, I wasn't. I'll check it. We're on the way. What do you think is gonna happen when we get there? Yeah.
I think it's good enough. But I think when we get there, or like on Saturday,
Yeah.
it'll probably be like snow.
Yeah. Just have our snow pants on all the time.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see. How is it? Is it good? Did you want to put some sauce? We have lemme and pho for later tonight. I ripped the hole in the bag. Oops. It's really good though. Vietnam.
What do you think they have?
Hmm?
What do you think they have?
Maybe cup noodles. It's like the easiest thing. You're so messy. Grilled chicken's really good. The lemongrass really good.
Just sleep in it. And then I'm like, okay, it's on it. Because it's always that inside track.
Understanding they didn't live with each other and that they would just like yeah, you're good. Yeah, there's nobody there. Yeah, it's closed. But it does look like they had a plow go through.
Yeah, for sure. Going on.
Oh, here. Nice jump. Good planning. You're just gonna hear me giggle the whole time. Oh, Joe Warren slipped and fall. Did you guys see that? I'm warm now. Moving around. No, I'm good. I'm just a single mom who works 2 jobs, who loves her kids and never stops. I'm a survivor.
Why don't you put their stuff in?
Yeah.
Show everything.
Do you have the lantern for inside the tent?
It's right there. What? I turned it on. It's my face. Looks like there's a squash.
Hey guys, it's me. It's currently, what time is it? I can't even tell you what time it is. I don't even know watch. And this is my crib.
What the hell?
Check it out. On the snow. Now cut the cameras, cut the cameras, cut the cameras, cut the cameras.
It's not that bad.
No, I don't think it's bad. I think when we're sleeping on the floor, it's gonna be bad. My feet are freezing. Yeah. I don't have boots or anything. I just have socks. But you know what else? My feet are stinky.
Oh my God!
Blow into it. Blow into that side. It's there. It's here. It's here. You good?
Is the other side closed?
Yeah, I closed it already.
Say a little prayer, get your money, man. Life goes on.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and you.
Men's packable jacket?
Yeah, I threw it in there. Just in case.
It's pretty warm now.
Yeah.
Like I feel a bit warmer now on top of everything. You want an electric one?
Electric?
Yeah.
Taser. This is our fire.
That's it. Leave it. Sure, we don't need to add a little bit more.
Ooh, our fire's so strong. Ooh, it's so big, guys.
Oh my god.
It's huge.
It's catching, it's catching.
Pump it. I didn't pump it yet. I tightened it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 only?
That's fine. Is this?
Yeah.
I don't hear it. Oh, I did. I heard it.
I don't even know where my flag
You're just supposed to fill it up a little bit. It didn't fill up yet.
No?
No.
I thought I heard it.
Yeah, you heard it, but it didn't release anything yet. We're outdoor boys, outdoor boys. It's fun. It's serious business.
Are you getting?
Are you serious? What am I filming then? Why? What's the point of coming here if it's not on camera?
You'll pour it back into the...
Oh, Drum, look!
What's that?
For you, you can bug, bug, bug. I don't know the equivalent in English. Like wind it up?
Wind it up.
Wind-
Yeah. Fan it.
That's the one.
That's back.
Yeah, hot chocolate hits different when you're camping.
Oh,
Yeah. It's on. It's fighting for its life.
Baller.
Yeah, I'm right. I'm just a girl.
This is what you were doing to me. I couldn't see.
I'm just a girl. I look like a boy. They gave me a lemon instead of a lime. What a bunch of noobs. You know what we should get? Nice chopsticks.
Carbon fiber.
Careful, SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
I just said careful.
Careful,
You
SpongeBob.
just throw it anyway.
I think it's a stabilizer. Cover that up. Gotta go a little bit closer to the fire. And I gotta get comfy. Is it hot? Mm-hmm. Oh. I can barely see. Your turn. We're walking. Sorry.
It's a little cold.
Who it is? Me. This is night 1. Ouch. Okay, well, good night. Hooray.
Drummer, you okay? Bye. See you later.
It's not gonna charge because it's too cold.
Yeah?
It said.
Okay. Careful, there's snow on it. I look like such a weirdo. I'm gonna stuff you in my jacket. Hopefully keep it warm so it's charged.
Oh wait, I was looking at you and I didn't even get the clip. Is it good? I can't even see.
What you got?
It's on your head.
My hat's on my head. Omar, how's your toes? One bit of butter.
I can't feel my fingers.
Ice. For Gucci. Gonna go try to find more firewood and then maybe do a little hike.
Say a little prayer, get your money, man. Life goes
So
on.
I'm
Let's go.
hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today.
Yeah, and then car camping is more convenient. Like backcountry is too much work. You have
Too
to carry
extreme.
everything.
Oh, we have to clean them up.
I think I'll just keep it nearby. And maybe we can poke holes after it and it'll picture of it. Keep this. Yeah. A little plastic note. Yeah. This is the sweet spot. I'm good now.
So much rice. You have another piece there. Are you hiccuping?
Can you find a green bag for the tent? I don't think so. No, I think I put it in one of the bins.
Whenever we run out of wood.
Yeah. Sounds like a game plan.
It's still a little raw.
I can see you looking at the camera. You're looking at it. Should I record you peeing?
Can I just do it here?
Yeah. Beyond the snow. Farted!
We did it. Success! Thank you, Wahid and Miriam, for giving us toe warmers. And now we're cleaning up and we're gonna get the heck out of here. How was that? Would you do it again?
No. Maybe once.
Maybe once.
Maybe none.
But now we're gonna go snowboarding. So, see you.
Wait. It's full ice. And you just scraping the car with ice.
I'll do it. Is that better? Is that better now?
Yeah, that's good. I just heard. I just heard straight scraping. No, I think it's just all the stuff I read there.
Oh, yeah.
And it's coming. This all over. Is it one way?
No, not this way. That way is one way. Exit one way.
These all skis.
All skis, no skis. I forgot to put on some deodorant. I need this because I'm stinky. I'm a stinker. So you're saying we won't do this again?
I agree. It is what it is. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's This is us. Snowboarding. Snowboard. Smaller time after.
Yeah. I caught an edge, but I wasn't going that fast.
No. Did it hurt? You're okay? Oh, purple.
I don't think you like that.
It's okay. Sometimes you're hit or miss. I like this one actually. Okay. You can close it now.
I'm gonna put this in the phone.
Say a little prayer, get your money, man. Life goes
So I'm
on. That's all.
hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today.
See you later.